Right, hello everybody. This week's trades of the week for the week ending the 8th of February 2019. A good few trades to go through this week. It's been quite a lot of new opportunities around, so it's going to make for quite an interesting video next week, that's for sure. But at the moment, we've had a good few trades close out this week, some decent profits in there as well. Got 5 trades to go through that have closed out over the last few days. So let's get straight into it with sterling CAD, so the British pound against the Canadian dollar. We had a short on this market back from the 30th of January. And well, it's nice and straightforward to see, isn't it? Indicators turning from green to red, big disc on the chart there with the red outline. So extremely eye-catching. Entry on the close of that candlestick there at 172.41. And the target on that trade was 223 pips target distance, which we achieved over the next few days. So it was a nice winner for us midweek there. We also had a couple of little sneaky ones this week there, really. A couple of small winners there. Aussie CAD was a nice short back from the 4th of February there. That was a 40-point winner. It's what we call a continuation trade there. So the market breaking down. So there's a trade against the trend there. We didn't take that one. The market then reversing on us, back in line with the major long-term trend. And then we took the short only for 40 points. But Aussie CAD is not one of the fastest moving markets in the world, but a nice winner for us, that's for sure. Let's have a look also at sterling dollar. Had quite a few sterling trades on actually. This one a short from the 1st of February from 130.73.8, and it was a nice short trade there, eventually going on hitting target on Thursday, so for 153 pips profit there as well. So some nice sterling trades this week. Euro dollar, a bit like Aussie CAD there, so trying to move up again, but failing, and then starting to break back down in line with those longer term trends. Notice those arrows on the left hand side of the chart. That denotes the longer term trends of the weekly and the monthly charts there. So we're seeing longer term downtrends. We're resuming that downtrend there, giving us a short opportunity, which was triggered on the 5th of February. Really clear, really easy. We don't have to look at multiple time frames anymore. We're just looking at that one time frame to give us those the longer term view of the market. So we're just getting on that longer term trend and riding it down. Not big, only 58 pips, but certainly 58 pips more than we had at the beginning of the week. So that was still a nice profit for us. And then finally, looking through, a small little profit on dollar CAD. That buy there from the 6th of February, hitting target for 40 pips on that first day there. So some nice winners in there, some big, some small, but certainly some decent profits for us. 514 pips over those 5 trades. So a good week for us this week, and hopefully you had a good week as well. If you'd like to know more about these strategies and how you can identify them, or even how you can have them resident on your machine at home, why don't you tune into one of our live trading webinars? You'll see a link somewhere on this page to register for attending a live event. Get your details booked in, get attending, and we'll show you how you can do it too. All the best, and we look forward to seeing you online. Bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.